Hi, it's Julie Freischlag, and I really apologize for not being there today. My plane was delayed and I couldn't make my connection to get to Jacksonville. I'm pleased, though, to give you my thoughts on how to project yourself better. You are what you wear, and how to project your best self. As a dean, when I meet new candidates for positions, I really look first on what's inside. That includes their passion, their creativity, their energy, and are they happy? Can they truly talk about their career and what they do, and to describe what they're doing presently in a positive light. What's on the inside also is really important. As you sit there, you are your credentials, you are your experience and skills, and you are your reputation. So as you discuss and talk to people about who you are, use concrete examples of things that you have done that reflect teamwork, integrity, your research accomplishments. Make sure you include others and talk about how you include other teams at work when you do things as a leader. Then what's on the outside is important. You do want to avoid calling attention to yourself. There's no question about that. However, my residents will tell you that I wear lots of colors, and you can find me easily at meetings because of the colors I wear. I would have worn a purple suit today with some striped shoes because that's me and I feel very comfortable in color. And people will tell you many times that I've worn pink suits and unusual colors wherever I've gone because that's me. So choose the colors and choose what you do according to who you are, not perhaps according to what people think you should wear. More importantly on the outside is how you treat people and how you treat your people interviewing you, how you treat your patients, your colleagues and your staff. There's many examples I have where people have mistreated my staff and I don't interview them again. That includes students, residents, and faculty. You should have a great reputation when called back at your institution, that people truly do like you there. And if you are going to leave, they would actually have a party before you leave and not after you're gone. And if asked, should you come back to be at their institution, they would welcome you coming back. And they can even mention a few things that you did to make the place better, even if you're a resident or a student while you were there. Remembering people's birthdays, remembering people when you take trips, making sure you thank people for everything you do every day. That actually is what's on the outside, even more than what you wear. And certainly always having a smile on your face and making sure that people are glad to see you. You know, there are those people that you see that you just want to go right down the stairwell and you don't want to see them, and others where you see them and you want to go right to them because they always make you feel better once you have that discussion. So on the outside is what you wear, how you look professional, but it's more of how you project yourself and who you are. My husband and I just watched the movie with Robert De Niro called The Intern, where he is a senior intern joining a dot-com company, and he teaches the young other interns the importance of dressing nicely. He opens a closet of all ties and suits and things that he's worn throughout his career when he was an executive for a phone book company, and you see gradually how the interns start wearing ties, suits, even tucking their shirts in. So you can wear casual sometimes. However, our patients do look at us as professionals. And certainly as you give talks and have interviews, making sure you look well and comfortable is really important. I do think that comfortable and being comfortable in your own skin is as important as well. And then lastly, make sure you keep great eye contact. Make sure you really listen to what people say. Politicians are like that. That's why people really have enjoyed many of our politicians, because when you're with them, you feel you're the only person they're talking to. I try to do that when I speak to all of you, even if it's over the phone or on this video. So keep great eye contact. Listen. Don't always talk. And when you're at an interview, you may want to take some notes, especially when you're interviewing someone else, that shows you're very interested in what they're saying. And then also ask good questions. Don't ask those questions that everybody asks. Ask those that are intriguing and helpful, certainly not embarrassing, but making sure you feel confident, competent, and reflect who you really are. It's very important to always be yourself, and you start that every day, how you treat people at your workplace, how you dress at your workplace, and then also to make sure that you have that air of confidence and competence wherever you go. Arrogance has no role in institutions and teams these days, so lose your arrogance, get your friendly, And as many of you know, on my desk in my office, and there's a sign that says, "Because nice matters," that one of my secretaries gave me. Nice does matter. And make sure you're kind to people. Make sure you're always nice and kind to your patients, nurses, and those around you. That is probably the best thing you can wear when you go to work. I hope the conference is good. I'm sorry not there to take questions, but certainly if you want to send me an email, jafreshlog@ucdavis.edu. As you know, many of you, I answer emails and can answer any questions, and I'm sure the rest of the panel will do a great job answering. Have a great day.